a look at the new face morphing feature in RAYFace. In the Smile Preview step, simply open the Edit menu and click the face morphing icon. Here, you can choose either the smile or resting face to start morphing. On the left, you'll see a fixed profile view, and on the right, a fully rotatable 3D view. Check out the 4 mouse actions at the bottom left for easy adjustments. Simply left-click to add a point, or right-click to remove one. For a natural look, feel free to add or remove profile points as needed. You can also scroll your mouse wheel to adjust the morphing area. And try dragging the points to start morphing. Try adjusting the points to simulate the look the patient wants. You can easily check the changes by overlapping the face from before the treatment. You can also undo, redo, or reset your changes right from the Edit menu. Back in the Smile Preview step, switch to Split View. Rotate the 3D view to compare the pre-treatment and post-treatment looks. Here are some additional tips to help you use these features more effectively. First, let's try using the Smile Teeth library. Select a library and adjust its size and position the patient's teeth. Next, use the translation menu and the grid feature to move the teeth to your target position. In this video, we used the 1 mm unit setting to move the teeth 2 mm to the posterior. Finally, switch to the face morphing menu and adjust the lip line, using the library position as a reference. First, run a simulation in the RAYFace Ortho Simulator app. The simulation results will be saved to the library automatically. Select the saved library, and use the translation function to fine-tune the teeth to your target treatment position. In this case, we moved the anterior teeth about 2 mm posterior. This method offers a more clinically accurate prediction than simply using the Smile Tooth library. Now, go to the face morphing menu and adjust the profile, using the ortho simulation result as a reference. Alternatively, you can utilize the plane feature in RAYFace. Since RAYFace doesn't currently support Ricketts E-line, we will reposition Camper's plane to simulate it. Move the point near the ear to the tip of the chin, and the point below the nose to the tip of the nose. This brings us to the end of our guide on the new face